to our main Prop Tech video. I'm Shelly.
And I'm Lindsay. And before we get started, we want to talk about a little bit about Mobley Cares, which is our nonprofit organization here. And we've got a lot going on right now. So last week we did an ice cream social hour to raise money for our veterans. And then this week is the last week that we are doing a food drive with Chow and the Food Bank of the Rockies. And then next month we're doing a local outdoor cleanup at both our Binghamton and Denver offices. So we definitely have a lot going on over here.
Yeah, such good things to be a part of too.
Absolutely.
So for this month's Prop Tech video, we're going to be talking about quick versus quality HVAC installs and what contractors can do to ensure that you're getting a quality install. So Lindsay, can you start us off by just talking a little bit more about what contractors can do?
Yeah, absolutely. So the EPA reported that 4 out of 10 homes actually have improper HVAC installation and design. Dang. So that tells me that the industry could benefit from increased education around proper installations and the importance of doing a quick versus a quality installation.
Yeah.
So quality installations are important for everyone that's involved. So the contractors can grow their HVAC business and improve their reputation by doing quality work and keeping the home and the building owner's best interest in mind. And those who reside in the home and the buildings benefit as well, as quality installations are more comfortable and a safer environment.
Yeah, totally. So if you didn't focus on a quality install, what are you missing out on?
Yeah, so you miss out on a lot because many times it's easier to just sell on a lower price and then just do a very quick installation. However, you tend to get what you pay for.
Yeah.
So skipping out on a quality installation will leave you missing out on energy efficiency, improved comfort, better air quality, and a longer equipment lifespan. And all of these aspects add up to what you would have saved and experience many other benefits if you would have just had a quality installation in the first place.
So how can contractors ensure that they're taking action and doing these quality installs for us?
Yeah, so ACA created a quality installation standard that is endorsed by the American National Standards Institute.
Awesome.
And contractors should check the ACA website for documents on quality standard procedures, and they should follow them when designing, installing, maintaining, repairing, and verifying indoor environment systems. And ACA also has a 6-hour video series on training for quality installation standards. So by not following these standards that are recommended by ACA, you can actually increase the annual energy consumption by 30% or more. And that's definitely something that we want to avoid.
Yeah, agreed. So that's really all we have today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please join us next month for another Prop Tech video.
Thank you.